If you're considering NameHero for hosting, let's delve into their uptime and speed performance, two critical factors for any website. Over the past year, NameHero has demonstrated impressive reliability, achieving an average uptime of 99.97%, with several months hitting a perfect 100%. This consistency ensures your site remains accessible to visitors without unexpected downtimes. In terms of speed, NameHero leverages LiteSpeed servers and NVMe SSD storage, resulting in swift load times. Tests indicate that websites hosted on NameHero load in under 2 seconds from various global locations, which is excellent for user experience and SEO. When subjected to load testing with 50 concurrent users, NameHero maintained an average response time of 58 milliseconds, showcasing its capability to handle traffic surges efficiently. However, it's worth noting that while NameHero excels in the North American performance, global response times can vary. For instance, the time to first byte or TTFB averages around 483 milliseconds in North America, but can extend to 794 milliseconds in Asia and 862 milliseconds in Australia. To enhance global performance, integrating a content delivery network CDN like Quick Cloud can be beneficial, especially for audience outside the US. In summary, NameHero offers robust uptime and impressive speed, particularly for US-based audiences. If this breakdown helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more hosting insights, and drop a comment with any questions you have.